Tips for physical therapists from prosthetists. Today's lesson, up with the good, down with the bad. What are we covering? Stairs. Up with the good, down with the bad. Now, I want you to know that it is likely you should be training your amputees stairs before ramps. Why? Well, because frankly, original equipment is way better and does this a lot easier on a ramp. But you'll find that prosthetic feet are designed to operate as if there were muscles going on there on a flat surface. But when it comes to putting it on an angled surface, it's likely to create torsional forces that are uncomfortable for an amputee and really should be handled later on in their training. So train them on stairs because it's easier. Up with the good, down with the bad. Now, John, why didn't I just say, well, up with the sound side, down with the prosthesis? Well, there'll be rare occasions when you'll have a patient where because of what's going on, maybe it was a huge trauma that resulted in the loss of their limb, or maybe they've had a stroke on their sound side. Because of that, quickly they will become prosthetic dominant. And in those rare cases, it still works here. Up with the good, down with the bad. But for most times, with most patients, when we say up with the good, down with the bad, that means you're going up with the sound leg to the next step. And then you bring the prosthesis up to that step. And then up with the sound leg to the next step, and you bring the prosthesis to the next step. When you're going down with the prosthesis, and then you bring your sound leg down. One of the more challenging things you might find is they should be using a railing early on, and what are they doing with their cane or walker? So that usually takes some creativity with y'all, and typically it's best if you can help patients figure out what's going to be the easiest thing for them to manage. Hope this helps, and just remember, up with the good, down with the bad.